Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoom name. This is really useful if you want to update how you appear to others in meetings, whether you're joining a professional call or just want to display a different name format. Let's start by opening the Zoom app on your device. Once you have it open, you'll need to either join an existing meeting or start a new one. This is important because you can only change your name while you're actually in an active Zoom session, not from the main menu. Now that you're in a meeting, look at the bottom of your Zoom window. Here you'll find several control options that help you manage your meeting experience. Navigate to the button labeled Participants and click on it. This will open up a panel showing everyone who's currently in the meeting with you. The Participants panel will appear typically on the right side of your screen. This panel displays a list of all attendees, and somewhere in that list you'll see your own profile name. Take a moment to locate your name in this list. Once you've found it, you'll notice 3 dotted lines next to your name. These dots represent a menu with additional options specific to your profile. Click on those 3 dotted lines to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, you'll see one labeled Rename. This is the feature that allows you to modify how your name displays to other participants in the meeting. Click on Rename to proceed. A text box will appear where you can start typing your preferred name. This could be anything from your full professional name, a nickname, or even adding credentials or titles if needed. Type in exactly how you want your name to appear to others in the meeting. After you finish typing your new name, click the button labeled Change. This will immediately update your display name for everyone in the current meeting. You'll see your new name reflected in the participants panel right away. And that's it, you've successfully changed your Zoom name during a meeting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.